To get any job done with professional quality, you need professional tools. A successful and profitable online business starts with tools you can trust. Now you can take full control of your online presence with every marketing tool you will ever need, and only Builderall has it all. See why thousands of entrepreneurs, digital marketers, and business owners in over 100 countries are making the switch for the most complete and innovative digital marketing and business builder on the planet. Hi, I am Erick Salgado, CEO and founder of Builderall.com, and welcome to the 5 Minutes with the CEO. So, do you need a website or an unstoppable sales generating machine? With Builderall, you can have it all. Consider this. Your customers have options and they are always searching for the best deal. And even if you have the most incredible product or service, so do your competitors. To succeed online, you must stand out from the competition. You need to understand that your website is a living, breathing representation of your brand. And why is that important? Because a great website created with the right tools and strategies is an unstoppable sales generating machine working for you 24 hours a day. And this is how you stand out from the crowd, and the crowd is only getting bigger. But here's the problem. Most website building platforms only do one thing: build websites. And building your website is just the first step. Considering that 80% of your purchases starts with an online search, building your own website puts you in the driver's seat of your brand, but not without limits. How do you get what's on your screen to match what's on your head? What if you don't know HTML? How do you make quick changes? The answer? Drag and drop builders allow you to build and customize your website without ever touching a line of code. Except most have three big problems. Popular drag and drop builders sacrifice loading speed for building speed. Want your site to dominate search results? So you need to understand that speed matters a lot. Sites that load fast climb search engine rankings and have lower ad cost. So while the most drag and drop builders cut hours of your building time, they add precious seconds to your loading time. And conversions drop by 24% every second your website takes to load on mobile. Other problem is, you still need other tools to scale your business. So you have a website built. Now what? You will need social proof, copywriting, autoresponders, email list, webinars, checkout portals, and more. And each one adds more to your website operating cost. Plus, some tools are incompatible with others, and most slow your website speed down even more. Is it less work up front? Sure, but you will also end up with lost sales opportunities, higher marketing costs, and more work on your plate. And the third problem is, they are not as flexible as you think. Although drag and drop builders give you the illusion of freedom, most have limited design capabilities, too few templates, and results in a confusing experience for your visitors. Because bad design doesn't just look bad, it hurts your brand's credibility and chases off your customers. Now, what if you could build an insanely fast, beautiful website that goes with all the digital marketing apps and tools you need in one place? We are talking about website builder, email marketing, CRM, chatbots, sitebots, webinar, sales funnels, checkouts, affiliate system, membership websites, e-learning, video editing, image editing, video wrapper, hundreds of professional templates, and much more. With Builderall, you have everything you need to make your dream come true. We started in 2011 back in Brazil with one goal in mind: to generate real online results for companies all over the world with a complete and comprehensive platform. What does that mean? It means no more wasting hours of your day getting all the different platforms to work with one another. No more managing 90 different app subscriptions. No more trading one function for another. No more hidden marketing costs. Just one streamlined tool that gets the job done. That's because we just don't do websites. We give you everything you need to explode your business online. With our all-in-one website builder and digital marketing platform, it's never been easier to build beautiful, functional, and insanely fast pages, funnels, and sales machines. And what makes our builder different? Our Tira drag-and-drop responsive technology makes it easy to edit the look and feel on any device. Whether your visitors enter your website on their desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile phone, all your pages loading under 1 second to skyrocket your conversion rate. That's up to 3.5 times faster than any other service. Accessing to 38 marketing tools lets you build your brand and scale your business online without dealing with any extra costs, glitches, or other platforms. And I am not even mentioning the amazing entrepreneurial-minded community we have on Builderall, where thousands of users help each other every day. So instead of clunky, all the same limited builders that slow down the user experience and masks hidden costs, you can make your vision come to life using just one tool. Try now our premium all-in-one website builder and digital marketing platform for 30 days risk-free and skyrocket your business online with Builderall. I am Erick Salgado, and I'll see you inside Builderall. To get any job done, a successful TV digital marketing and business builder on the planet. Ah, that was good, huh?
I didn't think you were gonna make it in the first try.
Yeah, man, I'm getting better. Considering that 80% of purchases Purchases. Help me.
Purchases.
Purchases. Okay. Most have limited design
Capacities.
Most have limited design capabilities. Brands the amazing entrepreneurial mind come. Ficou bom?
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot, you don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response, drag and drop your site, or click map your fans, see the pages they like, or use the video rap or capture they sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and ooh, I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.